welcome to the course. My name is Keris and I will be your course tutor for this video series. And during this video series you are going to learn how to speak and write politely in English. Now you might be wondering where my accent is from. I am a British native speaker and my accent is from Southern England. You might also be wondering whether this course is for you. Well, this course could actually help you to have a better life in the following ways. It could help you to find more work. So if you can learn how to apply for a job politely and go through the interview process politely, you are much more likely to be able to find yourself some more work. It can help you to impress native speakers like me. It can help you to get taken more seriously, especially in a formal situation, such as a situation with your employer. It can help make people like you more because they resonate with you better and they can connect with you because you are being polite to them. It can help you to diffuse confrontations without making the other person too angry because you can explain the situation a lot better and be really polite while you're doing so. It can help you to show more respect, and it can also help you to make a complaint politely because that person that you are making the complaint to is going to realise that you have to make the complaint. You didn't do it in an angry way, you did it in a really nice polite way. They're also much more likely to say yes to whatever your request is. It's also going to help you to express difficult emotions without getting yourself involved in too much conflict or drama. It could even get you more dates, and it can generally help you to have a happier and more relaxed life. So how are we going to do this? Here is what you're going to learn. You're going to learn the foundations of polite English. You're going to learn exactly how to use certain words and expressions politely. Then you're going to learn exactly when to use those words and expressions politely. And stay tuned right to the end of this video series where I'm going to be sharing my 3 big secrets for speaking and writing polite English. Stay tuned for the next video and I will see you soon. Bye for now.